Hello there. I am Susie Vine, the founder of 3X Less Stress and host of the Happified podcast. And I am thrilled to be meeting you or reconnecting with you through Andrea Shunkaran's Summer Wellness Gift Giveaway. And I'm thrilled that you are taking a look at, and I hope that you'll be joining me in receiving your Supercharge Your Summer Fun with Flower Power recipe guidebook. And please accept my invitation to a live online workshop on Saturday, August 26th. So whether or not you have been using flower essences for a long time or they are a brand new concept to you, I'm thrilled to make this introduction for you so that you can use these completely natural, safe, non-toxic remedies for emotional support to support yourself, your family, even your fur babies through all the changes, the energy and excitement of summer and beyond. So take a look at the guidebook. Go ahead and choose this gift. It's absolutely free. I can't wait to share the transformation that's possible with these flower essences. And you'll be able to bring your questions to learn more face-to-face through our digital meeting room on Saturday, August 26th, when we can dive in a little more deeply to flower essences and how they can support you. Thanks for taking a look, and I'm thrilled to have you join me.